How to fix Instagram messages. First thing, go to the settings and then go to the wireless add networks, enable the airplane mode like this, go back, open the apps, open the Instagram here, click on force stop, and then go to the storage or the internet storage, click on clear data and delete. Go back, click on permissions, make sure that everything is enabled. Go back, click on data usage, make sure also that everything is enabled. Go back to the settings on your phone, go to the wireless add networks and disable the airplane mode, and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this tutorial.